for a couple of days, and it's been an interesting experience. So let me share one of the experience. In the morning, when I was strolling down the beach, I could see a lot of rubbish on the beach itself. So rubbish, crab, bottles. I asked one of the fishermen. I said, "What's this all about?" And the fisherman had a very interesting story to say. What he said was that in the daytime, a lot of crap is thrown inside the sea, and what the sea does is in the morning it throws it back. So you see all the seashore lined with bottles and crap, but the stupid people keep on throwing on the sea. So that's an example which universe tries to tell us, and it wants to tell us a beautiful message, and that message is throw away the crap. Throw away what people tell you. You don't have to hold on to it. Many a time, consciously or subconsciously, a lot of people tell you few things which they may not have forgotten, but you keep on holding to it, and and you feel upset about it, and there are lots of things that keep on happening. So try to ignore. Sometimes it's good to ignore few things. So I would really suggest that you should try to ignore those comments, those things that may not make sense. Yes, if it's valuable, keep it, but the rest you should throw it away, right? And the second thing that I want to say is it's like forgive and forget, right? You need to start forgetting. I know it's not easy. It takes for me it took a lot of meditations and all to actually get to the point. But I would say it's a simple thing. It's just a stance. It's just the moment that you feel that let us forget and move on to life. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. There are lots of things to be done. The third thing that I want to say is prioritize. I was one of the sessions with Dave Gadvi, and what he said was, if you have priority in life, if you have set goals in your life, then you won't be bothered about what people are saying about you. You just continue doing what it is. You need to prioritize what you have to do in life. Just prioritize, right? So it's a beautiful life, and enjoy the journey. That's what I can say. And don't get bogged down with what people have to say about it. Yeah. So that's it. Signing off. We'll catch up with you with more inputs. This is Neeraj Singh Rathore. You can follow me on nsrlifecoach.com. That's Neeraj Singh Rathore, lifecoach.com, right? And give your inputs on how you like the video. You take care and have a great day. Bye-bye. Ciao.